Greetings to you, Karcher family. It's Jaron and Starla Rowell, and we're privileged to bring you greetings on this very special celebration of your 70th anniversary. It was our privilege to be with you from 1979 to 1983 while we were in college and serving on staff there. Back in the days of Ken Morrison and Harold and Irene Tome, Terry Langford, some of those, and several of you that we get a chance to run into along the way. Some of you may remember us a little bit more like this. This is how our little family looked when we were with you, and those were really great days.
We had Jonathan there in Karcher, and then just fell in love with all of you and appreciated your investment in our lives so much. We had 3 additional children and are grateful for the investment and ways in which you loved us.
Yeah. Since being with you, we came to Kansas City for seminary and then spent about 8 years on staff at Chicago First Church. Came back to Kansas City, where we've been for nearly 30 years now. Served as pastor of the Shawnee, Kansas church here for 14 years and district superintendent in the Kansas City district for about 12. And now we find ourselves here at Nazarene Theological Seminary, where we have a chance to come alongside those that God is calling into ministry and help them to prepare. Our little family's changed quite a bit in the years, so this is what we look like now. 4 children and 6 grandkids, and they're all nearby, and so we very much enjoy life together. Well, we're sorry we're not able to be with you today, but we're glad to be able to come in this way and just say that we're so thankful for your influence in our lives. And so congratulations to you, Pastor Mark, and congregation, and pray that you'll experience the special blessing of the Lord on this good day. God bless you.
Grace and peace.